Taos is located near several fault lines, and some experts have suggested that tectonic activity could be the culprit. According to this theory, the Earth itself might be creating the hum through subtle shifts in the ground. These shifts could produce low-frequency vibrations that only a small percentage of people can detect. But, as with the industrial theory, there's no hard evidence to back this up. Seismic monitors in the area haven't detected any consistent activity that would correspond with the hum.